must increase, but I must decrease. I am Saint John the Baptist, the voice crying from the wilderness, preparing the way for the Lord. God sent me with a special mission to proclaim truth and prepare people's hearts for Jesus Christ. Throughout my life, I only spoke the truth, even when it meant harm or danger. I did not stay silent. Today, our world needs truth more than ever. So you, the youth, are called to be witness of love, trust, respect and truth along with faith. We all must not be afraid to stand for what is right, and we should always learn to love and respect our friends and family members. May we all have the courage to grow together and stand for the truth.
St. Andrew's High Secondary School every single year organizes festivals of all religions, be it Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and today is a very special festival. It's a festival of Saint Joao. Saint John the Baptist was one of the greatest saints in the Catholic religion, and this saint has a lot of things to teach us. First of all, he teaches us the value of being humble, and we want our students also to be humble like him, where you leave your egos, your adamant nature, your self-centeredness, and change to being a humble, simple and self-giving person. Secondly, the saint was a lover of nature. He was born in the wilderness, he lived in the desert, and he loved nature. Here, the Saint Joao festival is celebrated at the onset of monsoon, where there is springing of new life. And this festival exactly coincides with what our institution believes in, protecting, conserving and preserving our nature. And when we do that, our students also learn about this beautiful festival of springing new life and protecting nature. And thirdly, our saint, great saint, also was a person who led others ahead and stood behind. So he's teaching us a value of serving others, selfless service. So we also teach our students, not me but you, serve the society, serve others, and that is how we can make our country a better country. So I wish everyone who is watching this a happy feast of St. John the Baptist.